So napabalita na tinaasan daw ni BBM ang sahod ng AFP, PNP at iba pang military personnel. I have nothing against that. Siyempre, they put their lives on the line. Walang duda dun. But the real question is, why now? Why now when this administration is drowning in corruption allegations? Why now when there are growing fears that some in the uniformed services might turn their backs on the government and side with the people? Nakakaduda talaga ang timing ng pagtaas ng sahod ng ating mga magigiting na pulis at military. Habang ang mga ordinaryong mga gawa, teachers, nurses, and minimum wage earners patuloy na humihingi ng dagdag sahod at disenteng kabuhayan. So, is this really about honoring service? Or a loyalty check na para bang panunuhol gamit ang pera ng taong bayan para lang hindi mapatalsik sa posisyon si BBM? Utang buot.